The toughened-up new 2018 Renault Clio RS Trophy goes on sale locally today, priced from $42,990. Drive away. Packing a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine that produces 162 kilowatts, 220 HP of power and 260 Nm of torque, the engine is capable of increasing torque output by 20 Nm to 280 Nm in 4th and 5th gears using an overboost feature. Like the regular Clio RS models, the Clio RS Trophy is available exclusively with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission with launch control. Ride height has been reduced by 20 mm at the front and 10 mm at the rear, along with 40% stiffer rear springs and dampers, along with a 10% faster steering rack, featuring a 13.2:1 steering ratio. Exhaust note is expected to sound even better now, too, thanks to the lightweight Akrapovic turbo back exhaust system. Helping the Clio RS Trophy achieve a greater power output is a larger turbocharger and revised mapping, with the overboost feature only working in 4th and 5th gears. With the larger turbocharger comes greater boost pressure, increasing from 96 bar to 1.03 bar, which has helped reduce the 0-100 km/h time to 6.6 seconds, from 6.7 seconds. Renault has even reduced a paddle shifter throw by 30% to decrease shift times, along with adjusting downshift markers to help reduce reliance on brakes for speed reduction. Keeping the Clio RS Trophy gripping to the road are a set of Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires that measure 205 mm wide at each corner, riding on 18-inch alloy wheels. Inside the cabin, the Clio RS Trophy features black leather sports seats with red highlight stitching and an embroidered RS logo on each headrest. Carbon look air vent surrounds, door handles and gear lever base plate are joined by satin chrome air vent inserts. The Bose premium sound system, optional on Clio RS and Clio RS Cup, is standard on the Clio RS Trophy.